May 28, 2021, this morning, 1 hour before sunrise, the bright gibbous moon is near the Teapot of Sagittarius. Farther eastward, Jupiter is moving eastward in front of the stars of Aquarius. Saturn is retrograding in Capricornus. Chart caption, 2021, May 28, 1 hour before sunrise, the bright moon is 2.7 degrees to the lower right of cause borealis, lambda SGR, and 3.5 degrees to the upper right of cause media, delta SGR. Use a binocular to locate the stars of Sagittarius. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:20 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:16 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. 1 hour before sunup, the bright moon, 95% illuminated, is low in the south-southwest, above the spout of the Teapot of Sagittarius. The stars are dim and a binocular may be necessary to see the starry background. The lunar orb is 2.7 degrees to the lower right of cause borealis, the northern part of the bow dash, lambda SGR on the chart, and 3.5 degrees to the upper right of cause media, delta SGR, the middle part of the bow. As the star names indicate, the centaur was portrayed as an archer. Chart caption, 2021, May 28, 1 hour before sunrise, the bright morning planets, Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeastern sky. Farther eastward, the bright morning planets are in the southeastern sky. Jupiter is moving eastward in Aquarius. Saturn, brighter than all the stars this morning except for Jupiter, Arcturus, and Vega, is 17.8 degrees to the upper right of the Jovian giant. The ringed wonder it retrograding in Aquarius. This evening, Mercury passes 0.4 degrees from Venus. Look in the west-northwest after sunset. Articles and summaries. Venus as an evening star. Venus evening star, summary Mercury during May 2021. Mars during 2021, summary Mars during May 2021. Planets during May 2021. Detailed note, 1 hour before sunrise, the bright moon, 16.6 95%, is over 18 degrees above the south-southwest horizon. It is above the spout of the Teapot of Sagittarius, 2.7 degrees to the lower right of cause borealis, lambda SGR, m equals 2.8 and 3.5 degrees to the upper right of cause media, delta SGR, m equals 2.7. Use a binocular to see the stars. Farther eastward, bright Jupiter is over 27 degrees above the southeast horizon. It is moving eastward in Aquarius. With the bright moonlight, use a binocular to spot the star field. Jupiter is 2.6 degrees to the upper left of Iota Acher, 4.2 degrees to the lower right of Theta Acher, and 4.3 degrees to the upper right of Sigma Acher. Saturn, retrograding in Capricornus, is 17.8 degrees to the upper right of Jupiter and 0.6 degrees to the right of Theta Cap. This evening a very close conjunction occurs with Venus and Mercury. The separation is 24. The next conjunction closer than this one occurs November 5, 2033, when the planets are 23 apart. About 30 Venus, Mercury conjunctions occur in the interim, but this is the closest visible to the unaided eye. A very close conjunction, 13, occurs on March 27, 2029, but the planets are near their superior conjunctions, Venus, March 23, Mercury, March 26. Venus is 1.6 degrees south of the Sun. This evening, begin looking for the conjunction with a binocular, about 30 minutes after sunset. Brilliant Venus is over 8 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. Mercury, m equals 2.3, is to the lower left of Venus. 15 minutes later, the pair is about 5 degrees above the horizon. Spot Elnath, 4.9 degrees to the upper right of Venus. At this hour, Mars is over 25 degrees up in the west. 1 hour after sunset, the conjunction is over 3 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. Higher in the western sky, Mars is marching eastward in Gemini. It is 3.8 degrees to the upper left of Delta Gem, 2.8 degrees to the lower right of Kappa Gem, and 5.6 degrees to the lower left of Pollux. As midnight approaches, the moon, 17.4D, 89%, is above the southeast horizon. 2021, May 27, impending Venus, Mercury conjunction, Sirius setting. May 27, 2021, Mercury approaches Venus the evening before a close conjunction of the two planets. This is the closest visible grouping of the two planets until 2033, although over 2 dozen groupings occur during the interim. Tonight is Sirius cosmic setting. It sets at sunset. The moon is visible low in the southeast at 3 hours after sunset. 2021, May 27, bright morning moon, planets. May 27, 2021, the bright moon is in the west this morning, near the star Antares. Bright Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeast before sunrise. 2021, May 26, lunar eclipse, morning worlds. May 26, 2021, this morning a lunar eclipse occurs. Your view of event depends on your location. Better views are farther west in the US and Canada. Australia, New Zealand, and the Pacific Ocean experience the entire eclipse. Bright morning planets Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeastern sky. 2021, May 26, approaching Venus, Mercury conjunction. May 26, 2021, evening star Venus, Mercury, and Mars are in the western sky after sunset. The Venus, Mercury conjunction is 2 nights away. Use a binocular to see the brilliant planet and dimmer Mercury. Mars continues its march through Gemini to the lower left of Castor. 2021, May 25, evening star Venus, Mercury, Mars. May 25, 2021, evening star Venus, Mercury, and Mars are in the western sky after sunset. Mercury is coming off its best evening appearance of the year. Mars is marching eastward in Gemini. The bright moon is in the southeast during the early evening near the star Gryphaeus.